How to make good decisions in our daily routine. Every day, all of us must make many decisions, ranging from little to significant. Some are easy, like choosing what to have for breakfast and what to wear, but others are harder and more complicated, like purchasing a new home or vehicle, weighing job offers and career opportunities. We may have decision fatigue, due to the overwhelming volume of decisions we must make, which can be mentally taxing. These large decisions feel more difficult than they used to because we are bombarded with more information than ever before. It makes us less confident in ourselves, impulsive, and more likely to make bad decisions. So how do we clear our mind of doubt and stress so that you can make better decisions more quickly? Naturally, we have no control over everything that occurs to us, but we still have the ability to choose actions that will help us achieve our objectives in life. That being said, we can experience a great deal of uncertainty over the choices we make that will affect our relationships, profession, health, and financial circumstances in the way that we choose. Should we find ourselves in this situation, we might want to consider improving your decision-making process. Making decisions is an essential component of life, but becoming more intelligent about our judgments is a talent that we can develop with experience. Here is a few important steps framework for more intelligent decision-making in daily routine life. Number 1. Focus on the right decision-making issue. Our decision's initial framing can have a significant impact. It's important to carefully define our choice difficulties, accept their complexity, and keep clear of biases that limit our options and make wrong assumptions in order to make wise decisions. No. 2. Try for objectivity. A decision is a tool for achieving a goal. Take assessment of our objectives and passions, values, worries, fears, and aspirations. Determine which will help we get closer to our desired outcome. One can't concentrate on just one goal when making decisions with several objectives. Number 3. Take charge of your feelings. Our decisions may be influenced by our feelings toward a certain matter. It is crucial that we notice and manage our emotions as a result of this. We may avoid danger because of fear or uncertainty, which might have an impact on other aspects of your life and especially in high-risk decisions. When chance of success is low, these feelings might be upsetting your decision-making process. Number 4. Never depend on our intuition and assumptions. Our decision-making process can undoubtedly benefit from intuition. However, in order to make the best decision, we also need to incorporate our professional expertise with this. Similarly, we should not take any decisions on the basis only on assumptions that influence our actions and, consequently, have the power to influence our results. Number 5. Consider the pros and cons of a decision. Both pros and cons come with each decision. Even though there is always some risk involved in whatever decision we make, but make sure it will lead to outcomes where the benefits surpass the drawbacks. If we do any business, investment, or any decision without first considering all the directions of risk, this is fact that we should be ready for any sudden loss anytime. Number 6. Take the decision. Take decision and ensure that our decisions align with our principles. We will be more driven to carry out decisions that are consistent with our basic beliefs. We won't be persuaded of the wisdom of our option if we make a significant decision that conflicts with our own values or personal priorities. When it comes time to decide, simply do it. Because if the decision we made turns out not to be the most suitable for us, we can change it more quickly the earlier you make it. Number 7. Always take neutral decision. We are often looking for understanding that just helps to validate our existing wishes. We refer to this issues as confirmation blindness. No matter how disturbing it may sound, gather information, and evaluate all the options available for us. No. 8. Always keep an alternate plan. We should always consider a variety of options when selecting of any decision. Therefore, we might have the opportunity to do it over and try out a different alternative, or we could just start the decision-making process over if our choice does not turn out as we expected. Closing remarks. Mark Twain said, Good decisions come from experience. Experience comes from making bad decisions. That may have some value, but experience of bad decisions will always be helpful in making future decisions. Successful individuals always show an appropriate understanding of their past choices to benefit once something like situation occurs.